Hello, my name is Nicole Universe, sculptor of this fine Irishman who brings a lot of experience, and today we're going to discuss about my PhD thesis and also my plans and aims and targets and also my achievements and accomplishments and other features. We didn't talk with you a lot, we talked with you but by the videos of short form with the violas, with violins, with cellos, with octobasses and things of this nature, but today we're gonna communicate with you with real words. I hope that you will understand more of it, or I will try to explain to you what does it mean. Okay, first of all, I write my PhD thesis. It is already 54 pages long. It is amazing, by the way. I need to write 150 to 250. Actually, it all depends on the extractness and of the coefficient of clearness. It all depends on them, actually, because if they will be nice, then everything will be nice. What do I mean by the coefficient of clearness? I mean that clearness of the knowledgeness inside of it. What do I mean by knowledgeness? It is when I use not the words like therefore and in the result and only the fillers. Yes, you can use fillers, or you can use really knowledge like AI, ML, and NDL, DNN, RNN, KMP, LSTM, AEVA, SAEDA, and other abbreviations, for example, and only use the specific terms and show your intelligence, or at least show the terms that you know, and to show intelligence, because our even doctoral advisor in my previous university said to me that Igor, need to show your intelligence through the talk, through different words, smart words. Actually, I agree with it, and in the same time, words are only sounds that we have the meanings to them. But okay, we are intelligent, we are nice, we are smart, everybody. Go, multiplication, division, integration, differentiation, exponentiation, logarithmization, convergence, divergence. Okay, it was funny thing. Okay, it was kind of jokey for people who watched maybe the Big Bang sitcom. They understood what I said, actually. Okay, but okay. And it is the Big Bang Theory joke type, when you use a lot of words, fancy scientific words, and you make the kind of laughable of it. Because I imagine you are speaking with person and you are using words like concatenation, not the connection, but concatenation, and contamination, not the dirty, but use the word contamination. Dirty, it is the synonym of contamination. Something what is contaminated, it is something that is dirty, and kind of with a lot of deviated data inside of it. Okay, let's go talking about PhD, because first of all, I hope that you didn't end this video already. But okay, I'm writing my PhD thesis. I have 3 chapters. It is the information that you can understand. 3 chapters, 1 introduction and 1 conclusion. Wow, this information you can understand too. And also I have bibliography. It is what you know too. Literature I have inside of it. Some literature. Already I have 150 different positions, and I think there will be, I think so, 600 maybe. I can add a lot, but actually when I will be on the presenting my results, then need to show your knowledge of what you read. But actually, yes, I read it. A lot of things I read, and also I mention all the authors. I do kind of referring. Yes, I hope that I said correct, because pronunciation maybe of this word. Refer, but reference. Yes, it is different pronunciation. I think so. Okay, I have chapters, and I have the contents inside of them, figures and tables. Okay, and also what's inside of the figures and what's inside of the tables. Inside of the tables I have the history and chronology of the specific of the specific thing. I can actually say it because right now I do kind of cryptography, saying something cryptographically saying without naming the terms of the main work. But okay, I will say it. It is about clustering. Clustering, what do I mean by it? It is a specific term to use to group the specific features, objects, and things of this nature. For example, we have white objects. It could be a snowman, a snowball. It could be a snow. It could be, for example, it could be a cloud. Yes, a cloud in terms of the on our sky. Yes, it could be cloudy weather. It is sometimes with white colors, and we can group them by this color because it is colorful phenomena, or not phenomena, because we said snowball and snowman, and snowball and snowman, they are built by a man actually, and in most cases, yes, they could be built also by doggies or maybe by other creatures, but it is kind of if they are trained or something. But okay, they are kind of anthropology made. And also, okay, oh doggy, okay, everything's fine, nobody will bite us. Okay, we are here. And also I wrote about I wrote about chronology of clustering. It is the informative information, how to say it correct, it is chronological table fulfilled with some information about different types of stages of the clustering. And I write not about clustering. Yes, I write about clustering, but I write about one type of the clustering. It is a robust clustering. Robust, what do I mean by it? It is the specific term that we can describe, that we can use to describe systems that are really strong, powerful to different types of deviations. I imagine the picture. In your city, everybody earns $10,000, and in your city only 10 people. It means that in total it will be $100,000 that these people earn. And the average will be 10,000. Wow, interesting math, because 100,000 divided by 10, it is 10,000. But imagine one thing. To these 10 people, we add one more people who earns $1 million. And then it will be the average of all inside of the city. 100,000. It will be the average of $100,000. And it is kind of interesting already, because look at this. 11 people, majority of them earns the salary, gets the salary of 10,000, but one person gets 1 million. Something's, and average is 100,000. Interesting. It is when we use average calculation. But if we will use mathematical term of median, it is if we will order everything from zero to hero, from lowest to the biggest, from smallest to the biggest, to the highest, yes, then we'll get, and then we'll look at the middle value, then centered value, then we can say that 10,000 actually the median of it, and then we can say that median of it 10,000, and it's more truthful about the cluster of the city, that if we'll compare it with 100,000. I hope that you understand, because why don't I record about it on this channel? Because I don't want to say that you will not understand, you will, but actually I feel kind of that majority of people, they don't use on a daily basis words like artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, artificial neural networks, Siamese neural networks, deconvolutional neural networks, deep convolutional neural networks, autoencoder, variational autoencoder, sparse autoencoder, and other terms from the AI field. I don't think so. I don't think that they use it on a daily basis. Yes, and it is kind of, right now I'm talking not to my yes, I have some viewers, and they subscribe to me from another content long time ago. They subscribe to me to the content of kind of laughable reactions, or maybe I'm learning English, and I do learning English, and yes, and they subscribe to this, and right now it is kind of a lot of words of math class. Actually, it is super understandable. It is, I want to say that it is only words. Imagine that you have a history class. Actually, you understand that there was a man or there was a woman, and she ruled something and then did something, and then they went to somewhere and then something happened, and you actually understand it in history, but actually you don't know names of them. Maybe, yes, I at least maybe I know historical names. Yes, I know some, but I don't know kind of every kind of and every name in this current moment. For example, we can name Socrates, Aristotle, and Diogen, and also Immanuel Kant, and Descartes, and others. Yes, we can Friedrich Nietzsche and others. We can name them. We can name them. But actually, if we will name a lot of different people, then you maybe will not know it. That's why recording these videos, because when I record these videos, I imagine that I'm on the position of the viewer. I imagine that I'm the viewer. I kind of do the kind of imagining that I'm a viewer. I understand something need to explain. Yes, and kind of do empathetical stuff. And when I speak about some mathematics, then I'm kind of, Jesus Christ, what, okay? Actually, in mathematics you can describe everything if you know only 5 things: multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, and set theory. Set theory, it is about sets and subsets. If you understand it, then everything is fine. You will understand everything that I said, really. If you understand only five these concepts, maybe more a little bit, but actually this, and you can count to the 100. If you can, then you will understand. I hope so. One moment. Some people are here. We'll go there. And I want to say that when I speak about a lot of math, okay, everything is fine. Okay, everything is fine. So, I have a PhD thesis. I already wrote about chronology of robust clustering. I put inside of it robust statistics, also clustering, information about clustering, robust statistics, about robust clustering. I did a kind of segmentation of it, because first of all appeared either, it is kind of different sources and different people say differently. First of all appeared proto-robustic statistics. We can say it. Proto-robustics, what I mean, it is kind of the ancestor of robust statistics, kind of 1800 years we have, and in this time period we get it. But then on the end of 19th century we got clustering, in terms of not the name of clustering, but of the concept, idea of clustering. Then in 1960 or somewhere, we got robust statistics, real robust statistics. And then on the future time, we have already robust clustering. Robust clustering appeared somewhere further and mentioning of it. And actually I do about it. Jesus Christ, need to drink water, but I don't have one. Because I was speaking a lot. And okay, we'll go there. I hope that everything is fine and my camera will be alive too. But okay. So I will go there because I started to think that it will take kind of 4 minutes, 4 to 5 to 7 even minutes, and then you will wait a bit, so it will be easier to end my video right now. Because I was speaking today a lot. I was speaking in the morning in Chinese, in German, in French, in Spanish, in French a little bit inside of my mind only, and I was speaking in German, in Spanish, and one minute I will go there because one woman. I mean that maybe she will hear us speaking English. Actually, me speaking English, but with you. And I was recording videos, 11 videos, I think so. I recorded a lot. One of them was with 30 minutes long, and some of them with short format. And yes, that's why right now speaking, you just need to drink water a bit. Because of the cars are here, and but okay, cars are here, and it means that speaking, it gets a little bit different. So I can speak this way actually, but it will be, you will not see anything. But okay, I will run to the one place and then we will continue. So, do you know where do I run? I run out of these cars. Because cars make speaking, because of the water and cars. When there are water and cars, then it means that will be appeared a bit of noises. Jesus Christ. Maybe stop recording it. Need to stop it. Okay, I will speak this way. I hope that you hear me. Right now I speak to the kind of so close to the phone, so I don't need to yell. Because yelling, you know, it is not the super nice thing to your vocal cords. Right now I did a little bit of figure skating on the ice, on the snow. Okay, today I did a little bit of work. I wrote the list of implementations, the fields, I mean, the list of fields of implementation of robust clustering. Do you understand anything? Did you understand anything? Okay, I will repeat it again. The list of fields of implementation